How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Martin with Belvoir Auto Spa, and today we got some more Apex Auto Care content for you. Again, this is not Apex Detail, Apex Surface Protection from the YouTube channel from Brian. This is a different company. Apex is a fairly common name when it comes to automotive products. So this company is based out of Houston. The owner's name, I believe, hope I don't mispronounce it, is Zaniel. And he sent me this stuff to check it out, and just wanted me to make some videos and let him know what I thought. So here we are. Anyways, in this video, we're going to be checking out their ceramic infused or ceramic enhanced tire shine. They claim to have sold over 35,000 bottles of this stuff. That's a lot. So we're going to see. We're just going to see how it is. I mean, there's not much else to do about it. It is ceramic infused, which tells me it should be waterproof-ish. Now, guys, I can tell you about pretty much all tire shines, this one probably included. After it rains or after a few weeks, you're going to notice the tire shine's going to fade. But what I like to see in tire shines is, is the tire still nice and black, or is it getting all dirty and disgusting? Generally, ceramic infused tire shines keep it nice and black, even though the shine starts to fade, which is nice, so your tires don't look filthy. But yeah, it says it protects your tires from going dull, hazing, yada, yada, yada. You got to shake it well to make sure everything's mixed up. Apply it to the tire shine applicator. Spread it evenly along the surface, blah, blah, blah. If you apply the tire shine, you know what to do. So they provided a hex grip applicator with their logo on it. These are my favorite type of applicators. You can buy these in bulk on Amazon as well. I'll put a link in the description. But what I like about these is generally I find when I use applicators like this, I don't have any excess to wipe off, and I don't get any sling. So pretty straightforward. Anyways, we're gonna make sure the bottle's shaken up. Then we're gonna go over to the tire. We're gonna get it applied and see how it looks. So we've got a cleaned and undressed tire here. Just washed this vehicle. So again, we've got this shaken up. So we're gonna go ahead and because it is a thicker formula, it doesn't really spray out. So you're gonna want to make sure that's kind of in there. Prime it, as some would say. And what I like to do is, I'm going to do half the tire first just so we can get a good idea. But I like to dab it out and then slowly work it in. And then you got one of those inner lips, make sure you get that as well. But yeah, not too bad. Now it looks like this is going to need some time to cure and level out, because you can see it's kind of streaked on here, but a nice difference between here and here. So I'm going to go ahead and get that worked in. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause the video, get it applied to the rest of the tires, and by the time I got it applied to the rest of the tires, it should hopefully have leveled out and dried on this one, so we'll come back and take a look. Alright, now as you can see, it has started to dry. It's not completely dry. I'd say this probably needs a good 15-30 minutes to dry fully before you drive it. Otherwise, just knock it back with a microfiber towel. But, I mean, overall, the stuff looks pretty good. Tire shines they're kind of tough to review, so I'll see how this does in the long term. And in the future, I am going to have a best tire shine video just like I did last year. It's going to be updated with the current ones I think are good, and this may make the cut. We'll see how it performs. But let's get over to the table for the final thoughts. All right, so Apex Auto Care's tire shine. At first glance, everything seems pretty good. I've got no complaints about it. I know it's a pretty quick and short video, but I might stitch this one in with the wheel and tire cleaner, actually, now that I think about it. But that way I can make a good length video. So a little laugh there. Anyways, that's all I got for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and leave the video a thumbs up and give it a like. Leave it a thumb. That's the same thing. Oh, God, my brain. Leave a comment down below with your thoughts. Let me know what you think about this brand and if you'd ever try it out. But other than that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Keep them clean. Have a good one.